I really feel like these videos, decluttering, is really helps set us up for success for the upcoming seasons, fall and Christmas time, everybody's favorite. Because it's during these seasons where we end up getting more, purchasing more, filling up our space quicker. A way to go into one of the most high functioning seasons than having your home prepped, ready, organized, and decluttered. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine, and on this channel I share easy DIYs, home decor, and encouraging messages through a creative form, and I am so happy that y'all are here. So the first episode was us decluttering our entire kitchen, and y'all, it feels so good to have space. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it right here for you to go back and watch that video first before coming to this one. After we decluttered our home, I went shopping to find organizational and storage solutions to help not only organize, but maximize the space in our home. A couple of these items can provide a multi-purpose use, whether it's in your home or at the office or wherever you need to organize. So many of the items that you're going to see today is for our kitchen, but I also will be showing you items for other places in our home that we use to organize with. Honestly, it all came down to price, functionality, and sizing. And many of these products I found to be very, very helpful and just make sense to have. But I do have a disclaimer. You don't need anything. You don't need it. So protect your wallet first. If you like something, definitely go ahead and save up for it, or save this video and come back to it later. So if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss another episode Declutter My Rental. And we are going to jump right into the haul. First item that just makes sense to have are airtight containers. When I began to research airtight containers, many of the brands that claim to be airtight still didn't keep food fresh. I end up going back to my tried and true. I have this 10-piece OXO brand food storage containers. I didn't know that OXO was a really good, high quality brand. I've been rocking with this brand since like 2015, and I didn't even know what I was getting. We are 6 years later, and I still have 3 of those containers. As I was in the store, I ended up receiving a $50 reward to go back towards any purchase in the store at Bed Bath & Beyond. This is the one that I originally was coming to get. It's $51.99, and it's a 5-piece set. This one has 10 pieces, and it is $104.99. I got a $50 rewards back, so I can use it towards anything, which means I can get 10 pieces for the cost of 5 pieces. Do y'all know which one I went with? I ended up getting the 10-piece because OXO is such a good brand. 3 years ago, we had ant problem in our home. It was a horror story. Basically, the ants were living in a wall. I kid you not, they were everywhere. So it was important that we found airtight containers, which is why I will pay the extra, because they got to all of our stuff but those containers. And to help with space, these containers are also stackable. They keep your food super fresh, and they're really durable, and they last a long time. They are worth every penny. Individually, the OXO containers start from $9.99 and up. I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they always have coupons, so definitely check it out or check for a good sale. These are mango wooden scoops, and I got 3 of them. They're from a small black business called The Muted Home. And I've been eyeing these for so long, and they were like sold out, and they finally sent me notification that they were in, and I bought them extremely quickly. They have not came in the mail yet, but there's 3 little spoons that you can put inside of your jars container wherever you have coffee, beans, dry goods, so you can scoop them out. My husband has his coffee in one of our 3 canisters, and he always using our measuring cup to scoop out his coffee, and I was like, oh man, I gotta get some scoops. And the great thing about it, they're small enough to leave in jars, but they also are deep, so they pick up quite a bit. I think I'm gonna get a mix of these. And for 3 scoops, they're $39.99. I will leave that information in the website down below in the description box. Actually, all of these products are gonna be linked down below in the description box, and whatever I cannot link, there's an alternative for it. This next item is a seasoning or spice rack. I got it from Home Goods for $4.99. It's a 3-tier one, which I really like, because currently all of my seasonings are just straight head on. So to put them on top of this 3-tier rack really helps me to keep them neat and organized. Because our cabinets are so narrow, they're on 11 inches, it narrowed my choices of what type of seasoning rack I could get, because the majority of them are the really thick white ones, but I was so happy to find this one. And it allowed room for underneath it. As I organized our kitchen, anything that we had 2 of that was still in good condition or that had not expired, I just put it underneath the rack. Next item is vacuum storage bags. I got them from Amazon. You all may have remembered me using it in my last Christmas video where I was storing my fall pillows in it. And I mentioned that I use this anytime we are transitioning from one season to the other. If you need to save space or just even store your items somewhere so that it won't get dusty or messed up, you can put them inside of these vacuum storage bags. So they're called vacuum storage bags because they have a little hole where you can just plug up your vacuum and suck the air out of it, and it makes it flat. And you can put it under your bed, you can put it up against a wall in your closet, or you can use these bags if you're moving. So the vacuum bags that I just ordered came in. Y'all, they are so big. Kinda glad I did not go for the jumbo. These are quite big. I ended up going for the extra large. Press these down to secure it. And for double security, you slide this little knob. This is the top that you just twist off, put your vacuum in there, and then suck the air out of it. I don't suck all of the air out of it. I do it enough but so that I won't squish our pillows. Every year they just still look brand new. These are items that just make sense, but also they help maximize your space and keep your items fresh. So this next item, which I'm so darn excited about, is a bamboo utensil drawer organizer. I think everybody has that one drawer that is just super messy. And we have this very long drawer that I will just stuff in all of our utensils, lighters, pizza cutter, candles, cookie cutters, everything is in this drawer. And it was just messy after a while. Me and my husband literally was getting into about this pizza cutter, okay? That's how much space we lost. Because you just throw it in there and you go in there, if you're not looking, you slash your whole finger off. And we didn't want that. Y'all would not watch my videos if I didn't have a finger. So we needed to organize this cabinet. Only $12.99, and I got it from Home Goods. I knew that because this drawer was so big, I just wanted one that fits the majority of our items, which it does. And the other side I wanted to leave open, helps significantly with organizing, and it fits way more utensils than when we just had it thrown in there, and I can see everything that we have. This next item is expandable storage, and I got this from the Container Store. It was only $12.99. This was the larger one. This one provides an additional shelf for extra storage, and it's adjustable for most cabinets, and it comes in multiple sizes and widths. I love this expandable storage because it just gives you more options. It provides like an extra shelf inside of your cabinet. The great thing about it being expandable is over time you can adjust it for your needs. I can see myself getting really out of hand at that store. It's just an amazing store. The next item that just makes sense to have that is incredible is the 20-inch under the shelf basket. Y'all, another item that I got from the Container Store, and it was $10.99, and it's 20 inches. I originally got a small one, but as I began decluttering and organizing our kitchen, I realized that I had a better idea for what I was going to use this for. These under the shelf storage provides extra space, helps you maximize that empty space under your shelf. It slides on the shelves very easily, and this is one of those multi-purpose items that you can use inside of your closet. You can use under your sink, a basket, open shelves. Wherever there is a shelf, you can use it to add more items to. This is a clear storage tote that I got from Target for only $8. They have a bunch of totes out now that is back to school. And I chose this one because it is a good size for me to either put in the cabinet underneath our sink or in our closet. And it also came with wheels. But storage clear totes are just great in general so that you can see exactly what you have in them. You can even label them. And if they have wheels, that's even more of a bonus. This next item are dividers. I originally picked up one and realized how useful this was and went back and got another one. So I got the size medium. They both were $6.99 each, and they are absolute lifesavers, y'all. This made things much easier to reach for and grab, because before, these baking sheets and trays just be falling over, or I just had to lean up against the wall, and when I needed to grab something and scratch the item in front of it, it was just a hot mess. They can divide up anything. So let's think kitchen first. Your bakeware, your tops, your trays, your plates, if you want to use it in your office, books or papers. I actually played around with it in our kitchen, and I was just like, these are game changers, y'all. And I don't even want for the medium size, but they come in small, medium, and large. And a great thing about these as well is that their dividers are very wide, so you can probably get about 2 to 3 items inside each area. So imagine having this in another place in your home. It's just like the possibilities are endless. This next item are Lazy Susan / deep turntables. So I originally got a Lazy Susan that did not have walls. Ended up switching it out and getting one that had the walls to it. Love, love, love the idea that you can turn around and see stuff. Everybody talks about the Lazy Susans, but it's until you own one, you understand the excitement behind it. It's then you understand that I can just, with the flick of a finger, you can just see everything you have. It makes you feel like you're inside of a department store and you're shopping your own home. It's a really good feeling. This next item, I don't hear too many people talking about it, but I'm telling y'all, another game changer. It's a cookware protector set, and it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it came with 5. Any small, medium, large, and extra large. I got it from Home Goods for $6.99. My husband and I own 3 cast iron of different sizes. And if you don't have a lot of space, your first thought is to stack them on top of each other. But with cast irons, or even pots and pans, you have to be careful not to scratch it. And I was using paper towels in between them because I didn't know this product existed. I don't know about y'all, but I cannot stand the sound of scratching metal. But one thing I like about it, they look like stars basically. It's like a cloth material, very soft but thick, so that none of your dishes will touch each other. You are welcome. You are welcome if you did not know about this product. This thing here changes lives. Next item is a lid holder. Y'all, I didn't realize how many options there were to organize lids, and all this time we were living life on the edge. Every time the lids, we just stack them on top of each other. It didn't make sense, but that means if we have to clean this one cabinet, we got to clean all the cabinets. And I just didn't know this item existed. So I ended up going for 2 of them and narrowing it down to the one that we have now. So this one is actually from Home Goods for only $3.99. It has 8 dividers. Changes lives, okay? Changes lives, changes kitchens, changes homes. And I like that this item is within reach and it's just a major storage solution. So organized. It just makes me feel good that I know when I open our cabinet, nothing is gonna fall over. You won't hear the scratching of lids, of cast irons, of pots and pans. Everything is organized. And I'm happy. I'm truly happy. These next couple of items come from the Target Bullseye spot. Alternatives to some of the other items that I share with you. These are a little bit more affordable. First one is gonna be this bed organizer. Another item that I picked up from Target is this canvas hanging organizer. So I thought that this would actually look nice inside our cabinet underneath our kitchen sink. Maximize this basket. I'm thinking about putting our garbage bags under here. There's so much to do with this, but for right now, I really like it. I really, really like it. So if you have like an office, or if you're like going back to school or something, you can hang this up in your locker. You can hang this up on your wall. The next item is also a Lazy Susan, wooden, and I absolutely love the color. So this is a wired desk accessory. It was $3 also in the Bullseye Playground, and I thought that it was wide enough to maybe put some tops in here. And I like that it's square, which means if I have cutting boards that are small or big, it will all fit in here. And for $3, you can't go wrong with this. This is definitely a multi-purpose item. So that is all for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed the products that I showed you here today. I got some ideas and it really inspired you to go ahead to declutter and organize your space. All of the products and what I can link is down below in the description box, and whatever I couldn't link, there are alternatives to it. I cannot wait to show you how we use these items in our home. You are not going to miss it because the before and after, completely different. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell for the next video of this mini series, Declutter My Room 2. As always, y'all, I will talk to y'all later.